In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom password page on Shopify. The password page is what visitors see before your store is live, or when you want to limit access. Customizing it is a great way to stay on brand and capture emails even before launch. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, log in and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you control everything for your store. From the menu on the left-hand side, look for the section labeled Online Store and click on it. This is where all your storefront settings and themes live. Inside Online Store, find and click on Preferences. This area controls things like password protection, SEO, and other storefront level settings. Here, look for the Password Protection section. You'll see a toggle that turns the password page on or off. Make sure this toggle is turned on so that visitors see your password page instead of your live storefront. This is especially useful if you're still designing your store or running a private launch. Once you've enabled it, click Save at the top or bottom of the page so your changes stick. Next, we're going to actually design the page. Go back to the Online Store section in the left menu, and this time under Themes, look for your current theme and click on Edit Theme or Customize, depending on what you see. This opens the theme editor, where you can visually edit different parts of your store. At the top of the theme editor, there's usually a drop-down that says something like Home Page. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of templates, select Password. This switches the preview to your password page so you can edit it directly. Now you can start customizing. Click on the main heading in the preview. On the left-hand side, the settings panel will show options to change the heading text, adjust the font size, and tweak things like mobile alignment. This is where you can write a clear message about your store, such as when you're launching or who the page is for. Next, click on the background area of the page. On the left, you'll see options to upload a new background image, pick a background color, change the text color so it's readable, and adjust how the content is aligned on the page. Choose a background that matches your brand but still keeps the text easy to see. You'll also see a section that often says something like Opening Soon or a similar subheading. Click on that to edit the copy and tone. This is a good place to briefly explain what visitors can expect. Finally, click on the email form section. Here, you can customize the text around the form, change the font style, add hyperlinks, and even include simple bullet style formatting if your theme supports it. Use this area to invite people to join your mailing list so you can notify them when the store goes live. Once you're happy with all your changes, don't forget the most important part. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor. After saving, your custom password page will be live for any visitors who don't have the password, giving them a polished, on-brand first impression of your store.